Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you have a symmetric case and have only one half of the geometry, or if the entire case is too large to create a topology, then here is an easy way to create a full complete grid with just half the topology and surfaces. In this video, we will learn how to generate a full grid from a half grid or quarter grid for symmetric cases, how to mirror and merge a grid. I am taking a very simple case to demonstrate this. Here, this is a hemisphere. I will start with building a topology for this hemisphere. I create a box wireframe macro using the current surface parameters. Next, I exclude the face representing the half section. There are two ways to do it. Either hold the X key and select the two diagonally opposite corners, or open a corner group and add those corners into a corner group, which can be used for face exclusion while doing the wrap. I am taking the first approach, where using the X key I exclude the face. Then I group all the corners into a corner group and wrap them. Now complete the surface assignments and remove the surface exclusion using the X key again. Check for validity. It should show you a valid topology. Run grid for 1000 sweeps. Load the grid into a UI. And check the quality. We have received a grid of good quality with a max Q value of only 0.381. Now in the transform feature under the edit tab, we have an option to mirror the grid. I position the workplane on the flat surface of the hemisphere to work with respect to the workplane. Make sure to mirror the grid along the workplane and create a copy. After transforming, I save the mirror grid with a new file name, say mirroredhemisphere.temp. I close the instance and reload both the grids into the UI. Select the merge feature and go to the grid tab and input both the grid file names. Select merge at shared interface. It will weld the two half grids to give you a complete grid. A single complete full grid file is generated here. The quality of the grid is still good and this mesh is ready to be exported. Here I have used a very simple case, but this can be used in many GL scenarios, like for example the meshing of an automobile, an airplane, a rocket for body, a re-entry capsule, etc. Any symmetric case can be solved with this approach. It reduces the grid generation time and does not use a lot of computer space either. The same can also be done from the command line. Once you have mirrored and saved the grids, open a terminal in the directory and use the following command to weld the grids. This will output a file named weld.temp where both the grids are welded into one single grid. The features like mirror and weld help the user generate the mesh at a quicker pace with more ease. With this, we come to an end of today's tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it below. If you want us to post tutorials on any specific geometries, you could write to us on support@gridpro.com. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe to the channel for new videos. Follow us on our social media pages. Links are posted in the description.